cause,
See, Oga Lamp, if you come here to throw me, no go there. I go scatter your brain next time I see you.
Abba, calm down now. I no fit waste my credit just to throw you.
Why you come they call me?
I go need one of those your guns, I get internal problem where I need to settle.
I know they give.
Abeg na.
The gun not be my own. Now club get them. They say make I dey use them, they discipline my boys only.
But I need to discipline my guys too na.
I know they give. Them go sack me.
Okay, you know wetin? I go sponsor you go Mami Iwobi restaurant.
How many plates of Nkwobi you go buy give me?
1 plate don't do you na.
I go need 5 plates.
Haba, you won't finish my salary? That thing cost so. Okay, make I buy you 2 plates.
I need my 5 plates.
Kai! Now what for you? Okay na, no problem.
Now only the gun I go give you. No bullet.
Maka why? Gun they come with bullets na.
Nothing like that. Bullet don't cost now. 1 bullet now $1 million.
Haba! But you get on plenty na.
Na company property. I know if you just dash you.
What you gonna talk like this na?
Okay, you know it then. If you buy me 10 plates, I go give you 1 bullet.
Ngwabi kill you there. I know they buy 10 plates anything. Just give me the gun. I go buy my own bullet. Chai! I swear, person no go die on top na matter. Oh, this my defenders. Wetin dey worry all of una? I swear, all of una useless pass soccer way. Wetin person go do when una go sabi play ball? Eh? Christiansen!
Sir?
You don't commit blunder. Thiago Sliver!
Koji, no be saliva na.
Shut up there! I ask you. Nonsense! Saliva! You don't commit blunder. Areza Balaga! Kochi, how many times I go tell you, na Areza Balaga? Will you shut up your mouth? You dey mad? See this foolish boy, yo! You own na normal na. Your mama no born you well. Now it make you get this kind of problem. My mama born me well, no. You say wetin? Nothing, sir. Good boy. You there, Mr. Zuma.
So?
You don't finally join them now. See as your face resemble that face where there's Zuma rock. From now onwards, I go dey call you Zuma face.
But Kochi.
If you but Kochi me again, ba. Now make I ask una, wetin man go do when una go sabi play ball? Una don turn deaf and dumb? I mean a ghost na be. Okay na, no problem. Since una don decide say, na turn by turn una go dey play rubbish. Na turn by turn I go dey flog nonsense comot from una body. Zuma face! Shebi na your turn. Oya come sharp, no waste my time.
But Kochi, na my first mistake na.
Shebi I don tell you, make you no dey botkoche me.
Yeah, why you? Kochi abeg na. Kochi abeg.
Abeg wetin?
You no flog Thiago Silva na. Oh, why come they flog me? My friend, shut up there. Me and you na mate. Leave me, Joe.
You dey question me?
No, sir. The blood. But Kochi, come and go for you for the other man.
Oh, God. You still dey botkoche me? I put you for match to score, a bit to defend.
Yeah. Why you?
Nonsense. Jesus, na mess be that? Which kind mess be this?
Kochi, abeg. Now you flog and come off my body.
Kai!
Now you flog am.
No worry. Next time, ba, na shit and piss I go flog come out your body. Carry your mess come out from my front jaw. Messy like you. Oya, you there, my regular customer. Oya, come chop your own daily bread. Kochi, not be so them they do things na. Na Zuma cause am. I ask you anything? Come here, Joe. Kochi, I know they come anything. Na Zuma pass nonsense ball give me. So, because him pass nonsense ball give you, na him to come out clear ball they had you na. Better come out here before I change my mind. Kochi, if you like change your mind, I know they come anything. Okay, no problem. Just stay there, oh. Jesus, Kochi, I swear I know how you get going on. You're not supposed to know. Now time for you to join your ancestors. Kochi, I beg. Yeah! Nonsense.